Ooh, let's talk about Ram trucks. Teasing a futuristic electric pickup truck coming in 2024. That's right. Ram didn't say anything about electric yet.
Yeah.
Everybody else, electric chatter.
Seems like they have like an array of vehicles.
Oh, wow.
Is it that guy right there? He brought an array.
He sure did.
That looks like
could that be you, Mo? Is that you?
No.
Not me. Yeah, so I guess they had an EV day. I didn't see any of this, but you got to have a play. If you're Ram, you got to have a play, right? You can't be sitting. Look at this guy. He's so serious. He's coming. He's firing hot. He's like, we're Ram. And no, we weren't sleeping. We've been doing
Clearly
stuff.
Yeah, that's a lot.
We've been doing electric stuff. You think we're going to let Ford do that on their own without us? We're Ram.
What do you think of this profile?
Redefining the full-size BEV by 2024. Charting our own course. Ooh, more futuristic, maybe? Those lines are probably exaggerated.
Yes.
But there were some crazy EV trucks.
Mm-hmm.
If you look at the line on that Hummer EV, it's pretty weird. Tell you what.
I like a truck that looks mean though.
I saw Supercar Blondie got to look at the Hummer EV.
Yeah, she did.
And I'm sitting there thinking, man, let's roll one in the studio if they're rolling that around.
Yeah, I don't think they are though.
I'm thinking to myself, man, where's Willie Do on that?
But that truck isn't coming out for like another 5 years or something?
No, stop it. It's not 5 years. They're calling it the model year 2022. So it's got to be out like in a year.
I guess you're right.
I don't know what you think about it. I don't know where you're at, Mo. Is that you or not you?
The Hummer or the Ram?
All of the above. What are you going for? What's your EV truck of choice out of what you've seen out there in the market?
The Ford Lightning. That thing's amazing.
I think you're biased because you had
I got to play with it.
on it. Yeah.
I am, but oh my god, that truck was so much fun.
Yeah, it was cool.
Wow.
It was cool and like seemingly attainable, like reasonable, the price as well.
I don't like a super flashy stuff either. So it just
you're not trying to get everybody's attention out there.
No.
It's more low key.
Yeah.
As far as you're concerned. Your dog has a different opinion on that, though. He's like, no, everybody's going to know I'm here. He's like, hello, everyone. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I'm here.
Just no respect.
So what can we say? Okay, yeah, they had to do electric. This is their tease. It's very vague for the time being, but the fact that he had so many vehicles with the covering over top seems to indicate that it's...
One of them looked like a van, too. Like a Sprinter van.
Oh, they're going to do an EV.
Look at that one on the second to the left.
You're right.
Delivery truck?
Well, no, they have the ProMaster, the Ram ProMaster.
Oh, yeah, exactly, yeah.
A lot of people mod that one, so that could be that. Couple passenger vehicles. Obviously, the truck over there, that's a car on the far left by the looks of it.
The right one looks like a sports,
like
a Ranger-esque.
However, Hyundai with the car truck got some positive feedback with the car truck.
I haven't seen this.
So maybe could Ram do a car truck of their own? Instead of going with a small truck, do a car truck?
What's it called again?
Not the Ioniq. It's called the
car truck.
Santa. It's like a Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz, I think.
Oh, the shark-looking one.
Santa Cruz. Is this you, Mo?
No.
Oh, okay.
I like a truck that that looks a little mean.
It's not Mo. So it has to be not too flashy, but a little mean. I like that. Yeah, well, some people really like this thing because they can park it.
Right,
It rides more like a car, but you get the utility of having a bed on it.
Mm-hmm. You could take this into the city, no problem.
Exactly. If you got a tight parking spot or also in the city, never mind in the city with the height matters a
Oh,
lot
yeah,
too. It's
yeah.
like in my Raptor, it's lifted a little bit. We've got the bigger tires on it. And sometimes I'm not looking at the height thing, and then I'm about to, and I'm like, oh my God, I can't even get in that parking garage. And I'm turning around. It's a nightmare. So I don't recommend a full-size truck in a city is what I'm trying to say.
Yeah. No, I mean, I have buddies who have trucks and they hate it when they have jobs in the city.
Yeah.
They're like, oh my God, now I got to figure this out.
Got to figure out a place to put this thing. Yeah. So there's a crowd.
So it's coming out in 2024. Is that too late?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, when's the Lightning going to be available? Next year? Right?
Yeah.
22.
Yeah, same.
So
a
it's
lot of
way
it is
too late.
reaching the 2022 model year. I will say this, Ram has done well in the gas truck.
Mm-hmm.
Like they've been going at it, big displays and winning truck of the year. And they got the TRX that just came out. And so they can sell these for a little while.
Ooh, that looks nice, the white one.
They can sell these for a while, you know? But Will, did they say anything else about specifics of what that lineup is made up of as you scroll through? Let's see. CEO talked in ambiguities, noting that the Ram trucks would surpass counterparts like the Ford F-150 Lightning or Tesla's Cybertruck, Rivian R1T, etc. But the roadmap seems uncertain. Well, what does that chart say that they have there? Improve the customer's capability, charge station. Yeah, this is all pretty typical stuff here.
Doesn't really say.
Oh, that one, because they enhanced it.
Yeah.
You can see the shape. It very Hummer, like the Hummer, sort of. I would say
I don't know.
It looks cool, but definitely exaggerated, right?
it's definitely exaggerated.
Yeah.
We'll have to wait and see.
Sure.
2024 is not ideal, but
But they're coming out with like 5 vehicles.
it's better than nothing.
Maybe that's there.
You got to do something. I like that TRX. I don't know what to tell you guys.